This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Tortang Giniling. Begin by finely dicing 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Next, chop 1/4 cup of carrots, 1/4 cup of green peas, and 1/4 cup of bell pepper for a burst of color and flavor. Crack 3 large eggs into a bowl, ready for later use. Ensure your 1 pound of ground pork or beef is thawed and waiting. Now, let's cook the ground meat base for your Tortang Giniling. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large skillet over a comfortable medium flame. Sauté your minced garlic until it releases its lovely aroma, then stir in the diced onion, cooking until it softens beautifully. Add the ground pork or beef, breaking it up with your spoon, and cook until it's completely browned. Remember to drain any extra fat for a lighter, more delicious omelette. To elevate the flavor, incorporate the chopped carrots, green peas, and bell pepper into your cooked giniling, letting them soften slightly. Stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, mixing everything well. Now, gently fold in the 3 beaten eggs, ensuring the meat mixture is evenly coated. Shape the mixture into flat, round patties, about 1/2 inch thick, creating 6 to 8 delicious portions. It's time to fry your Tortang Giniling to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a reliable non-stick pan over a steady medium heat. Gently place 1 or 2 patties into the warm oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan, which can lower the temperature. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are fully cooked through. The eggs should be nicely set, and the savory meat perfectly warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.